Hi, I'm Chris Moore. Welcome to Finance and Accounting for Beginners. I will start with a simple house extension and see how this affects the builder's income and profit. I will then show you how this will build up into a statement that all the bosses will be interested in. I will answer the question as to why accruals accounting is so fundamental to accounting. Have you ever wondered how a random set of invoices and journals ever became a set of financials? I will take you on a helicopter view of how we get from a random set of data to a profit and loss account / income statement and balance sheet. Don't worry, all of the accounting jargon will be explained. See how a professional lady's personal balance sheet works and why this will help you understand a company balance sheet. See how a personal balance sheet is almost identical to a company's balance sheet. See how to deal with capital expenditure and why you shouldn't be frightened of it. Managing a company's cash can be a little daunting. See the options and techniques to ease this. International rules are simple, providing you know the rules, of course. Why return on capital employed is a useful financial tool, especially when trying to choose which company to invest in. Also, other points such as stocks and inventories are also covered.